Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your login password on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to open the CoinMarketCap app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then once you're here, we're going to click on change password. So they're going to take you to a website. So you're going to click on take me there. So first you guys need to insert your authenticator verification code. As I told you, you guys can find it in the Google Authenticator app. Then click on confirm. So here you're going to enter your new password and confirm it. So they have requirements for the password, so make sure to abide to it. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save new password. So that's how you update your password. Then they're going to ask you to log in again. You're going to insert your email as well as your password. Then click on login. So that's how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.